Welcome back to Living Off the Land. Today's video is on sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes is a vine. It's in the morning glory family. Sweet potatoes are typically planted between the latter part of April and March 15th, depending on your planting calendar. There are many types of sweet potatoes. For example, Beauregard can take anywhere up to 120 days. Some of your bush varieties, such as Puerto Rico Vardamans, can take anywhere from 75 to 95 days. Sweet potatoes love humus soil, love heat also. So again, today I'm going to plant sweet potatoes, and I'm going to do this is for people who have patio space, a small raised bed, or a large container. Now I'm going to demonstrate in a swimming pool. So the process of the sweet potatoes, I'm going to put holes in the bottom of the sweet potatoes with my drill. Why am I putting holes? I want to make sure there is sufficient drainage because I do not want the sweet potato roots to rot. Then I'm going to put humus soil into the swimming pool. Once I put my humus soil into the swimming pool, then I'm going to make my mounds. Remember, you don't want to plant flat. You want to elevate it for a good drainage again and air circulation. So I'm going to make my mounds, and once I've made my mounds, then I'm going to put azomite. Azomite is a rock mineral. It's a volcanic rock mineral, and it has trace elements in it. Azomite has potassium in it along with magnesium. And once I put that into the humus soil, I'm going to put my slip. It's called a sweet potato slip into the soil. I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to water. It is now June 2nd. I wish that I had have shown you how you could take a sweet potato, put it into a cup, fill it with water, and put toothpicks sticking out of each side. Allow the toothpicks to hang over the cup. Put it in a sunny window, or like it is now, you can put it outside in a couple weeks. In 3 to 4 weeks, you'll have roots. And from those roots, you can actually pull off a slip and plant it into the ground. Or you can take the sweet potato, cut it in half, build a trench, dig a trench, put the sweet potato into the ground. In about 3 weeks, that sweet potato will have roots on it. You can pull the slip and then plant it. Let's get started. Each county has an extension service. The extension service, there you can get a planting chart. The planting chart says that sweet potatoes can be planted from April 15th through May 15th. Well, that's not precise. It varies, especially with the unseasonably cool weather we've had, even in May. If you're going to plant the runner, which is a Beauregard, it will require 120 days. If you're going to plant a bush variety, again, you're looking at less time. Thanks for watching. You can comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell down below so you can be notified of the next video.